Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and
Hey guys, Paulo here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into an absolute powerhouse that's been making waves in the laptop gaming world, the ASUS ROG Strix 18. This one's specifically equipped with the beastly RTX 4090 GPU, the same GPU in title as the one I have in my Alienware Aurora R15 desktop machine. This laptop exceeded my expectations in every way. This entire package is built for powerful gaming on the go, but instead of just rattling off specs and benchmarks, we're going to be exploring what it's actually like to live with this machine. How does it feel? What's the experience? I was really curious, so I personally requested to review the item for free. Then ASUS sent this over and literally had zero input on this video. So let's go over the Strix Scar 18. First off is the unboxing experience. ASUS has always nailed presentations, and this time is no exception. The packaging itself is minimalist yet premium with a beautiful design on the front, giving that instant rush of gamer aesthetic. Taking out the box, the first thing that struck me was the sheer presence of the laptop. The Strix 18 isn't just a regular gaming laptop, it's definitely a statement. This laptop is a solid piece of hardware with a matte black finish and subtle RGB accents to give it a sleek, modern gaming look. It feels robust, hinting at the power that this thing holds. Going over the build quality, it definitely does feel solid. Hefty, yes. Large, kind of, but in a way that reassures you that it's definitely portable, more portable than gaming laptops used to be. And when you hold it, you can tell it's definitely designed very well, and yet it feels very solid to bring with you, and you won't have a problem in sacrificing any power due to that portability. In terms of connectivity, the Strix 18 has all the ports you'd need for a portable desktop replacement. On the left, there are two USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, 3.5mm audio jack, a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, and the dedicated AC adapter which supports up to 240 watts of power. And on the right side, you've got dual USB 3 ports. With this array of ports, you can connect multiple peripherals, external displays, and enjoy fast data transfer speeds. The HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4 ports support up to 8K displays, future-proofing your setup. The audio in the Scar 18 is handled by a 6-speaker system with dual force cancelling woofers and Dolby Atmos support. However, as we all know, the best experience comes from truly immersing yourself with a good set of headphones. Now let's talk about that screen. The Scar 18 comes with an impressive 18-inch Nebula Display. It's a Quad HD Plus 2560 by 1600 IPS level panel with a 240Hz refresh rate with a 3 millisecond response time. This screen is absolutely gorgeous. It also supports Dolby Vision HDR and covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, the visual experience is truly exceptional. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides more vertical space, enhancing both productivity and immersion. Under the hood, the Scar 18 is a beast. It's powered by the latest Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 with 16 GB of GDDR VRAM. This unit came with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of ultra-fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. This laptop definitely doesn't hold back. From high-end gaming to 3D rendering and video editing, it handles everything smoothly. Load times are quick, multitasking is seamless, and the overall performance is top-notch. Now, to keep all that power in check, ASUS has implemented an advanced cooling system. It features Conductonauts extreme liquid metal on both the CPU and GPU, along with a full surround vapor chamber and arc flow fans. This setup effectively dissipates heat, allowing for sustained performance during intensive tasks, and these fans are designed to reduce noise without compromising cooling efficiency, so you can stay focused on your work or gameplay. Now, the keyboard is comfortable and responsive, featuring per-key RGB lighting customizable through Aura Sync. The keys have good travel and feedback, making it suitable for both gaming and typing. The touchpad is large and precise, supporting multi-touch gestures, definitely handy for general use when a mouse isn't available. Now, in managing your laptop's overall performance and thermals, ASUS includes the ROG Armoury Crate software, which centralizes control over your system settings. You can customize performance profiles, adjust fan speeds, and personalize RGB lighting across your device. The Mux switch is a standout feature, allowing you to switch between the integrated and discrete GPU. This optimizes performance for gaming or extends battery life when you're on the go. There's also support for GPU overclocking if you want to push the performance even further. Alternatively, you can also check out G-Helper, which is a slimmed down version of what the ROG Armoury Crate software can do. This uses much less resources than the ROG Crate software, and I highly recommend checking it out as well. Now, let's see how it performs in gaming. Equipped with that RTX 4090, although a slimmed down version for the portable factor, the Scar 18 handles the latest games at ultra settings effortlessly. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Shadow of the Tomb Raider run smoothly with ray tracing and DLSS enabled, maintaining high frame rates even in demanding scenes. The combination of the powerful GPU and high refresh rate display, although not 4K, does help provide a competitive edge in fast-paced games. In these examples, you can see that the performance running on this laptop with various games that I've tested, it definitely runs smoothly overall at the highest setting with no lag whatsoever. Despite its powerful hardware, the Scar 18 includes a 90 watt-hour battery, offering a respectable battery life for general use like web browsing and streaming, but you definitely need to be connected to take full advantage of the hardware built into this thing. At around 6.5 pounds or approximately 2.9 kilograms, it's portable enough to take with you when needed. While it's not the lightest laptop out there, the performance it delivers on the move is definitely impressive today compared to how it used to be a few years ago. Other notable features include Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more reliable wireless connectivity and Bluetooth 5.2 support for connecting peripherals. The laptop also supports fast charging, bringing the battery up to 50% in just 30 minutes. To sum it up, the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 is a formidable gaming laptop that excels in performance, display quality, and features. It's a machine built for enthusiasts who demand the best in portable and productivity. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech content. Let me know your thoughts on the Scar 18 in the comments below. Is this the ultimate gaming laptop for you? Because for me, in terms of portability and power in one device, the Scar 18 definitely wins it for me for 2024. I'd love to hear what you think though, so let me know in the comments below. And until next time, see ya.